Global Marine Systems Limited, the world's leading specialist marine service provider, installs and maintains more of the world's submarine cable kilometers than any other company. It operates the largest fleet of cable laying and maintenance vessels in the world and has experience of a wider range of technologies in more oceans and environments than any of its competitors. Global Marine combines unrivaled route engineering and deep water installation experience with a significant track record in shallow water work to offer a comprehensive turnkey beach-to-beach capability. Crucially, in depths of less than 1,000 meters, where most faults occur, analysis has shown that fiber optic systems installed by Global Marine exhibit a more than 70% increase in reliability compared with systems installed by others. The same analysis indicates that cable laid in water deeper than 1,000 meters is at least 10 times more reliable than cable laid in shallower water, confirming the belief that faults most frequently occur at depths of between 20 and 70 meters. Global Marine's specialist shallow water expertise plays an important role in delivering securely installed systems to cable owners. Bringing a submarine cable from its marine environment to the shore-based terminal is a complex specialist job. After optimum landing locations have been identified, our teams liaise with local authorities to obtain the necessary permits and to ensure that health and safety restrictions are strictly observed before undertaking the physical task of bringing the cable ashore. Our shallow water teams work regularly in support of large cable-laying vessels. When conditions permit the main lay vessel to come close to shore, the cable is hauled directly from ship to shore by workboat, with floats attached at regular intervals to provide support. The process is dictated by weather, tidal flow and water depth. In good conditions, shore-end landings can be completed with the main lay vessel up to 2.5 kilometers from the shore. Once sufficient cable has been pulled ashore, it's secured in a previously prepared beach manhole ready for connection to the land system. An additional length of cable is stored on the beach to allow for future system maintenance. Protection is achieved by burial in a trench up to 2 meters deep. This can be reinforced by fitting split pipe cable protectors if necessary. The beach is then restored to its original state. Where shore-end landings have to be pre-laid, Global Marine selects the vessels and the tools that are the most economical and effective for the job. Using either one of our own specialist cable-laying vessels, such as Chinan 3, Elbe or Networker, or a suitable local alternative, Global Marine provides the cable storage, handling and installation equipment needed to complete the job on time and within budget. The choice of installation equipment is largely dictated by prevailing seabed conditions. Our extensive range of burial tools includes adjustable width injectors and various chainsaws capable of operating in anything from soft mud and harder clays to soft rocks. We also have heavy-duty rock saws that are capable of cutting up to a 4-meter deep trench through bedrock. In soft seabed conditions, where burial is required to a depth of 2 meters or less, our lightweight plough Bantam would probably be selected. Bantam is a modular unit and, fitted with the appropriate injector, can easily be transported in a standard 20-foot container. The high-pressure water pump required to operate the injector can either be hired locally or transported with the unit. Depending on the burial requirement, Bantam can either be mobilized on a small inshore barge equipped with a suitable crane or loaded onto a much larger vessel for work further offshore. If the cable has to be buried from the beach out, then Bantam would be hauled offshore from the beach to the installation vessel using a small pontoon for the supporting equipment. Shallow water installations through a wider range of seabed materials are usually accomplished by either Otter or Gator, two of our other burial machines. Fitted with an injector system, a cutter chain or a rock wheel according to seabed geology, Otter and Gator can operate easily in hard chalks or soft rock. Their wide tracks also enable them to successfully negotiate soft seabed conditions. The more powerful Gator was designed to work in an even wider range of conditions. The machine, which weighs some 12 tons, is based on a specially designed low-profile tracked chassis which carries the appropriate trenching tool. Both Otter and Gator have been specifically designed to operate from the beach, through the surf zone and offshore into deeper waters. Gator is fitted with subsea equipment that enables it to operate to a depth of 300 meters. In situations that demand a machine capable of cutting a trench in hard bedrock over extended distances, either our heavy-duty Roxor or Spencer are most effective. Spencer has been designed to lay and bury cable in anything from sand and clay to hard bedrock in excess of 60 megapascals. It can operate in only a few meters of water, whilst its maximum operating depth is limited only by current diving constraints. The presence of bedrock within the desired burial depth of up to 6.5 meters can be overcome using our Roxor unit, one of the most powerful underwater tools in the world. The Roxor not only removes any overburden of softer materials through proven water jetting techniques, it can also cut trenches up to 4 meters deep in solid bedrock. The Roxor is followed by an injector which blasts the trench clear for the cable to be laid. Our injectors have buried down to 14 meters in some cases, using up to 60,000 liters of water per minute at a pressure of 16 bar. The large quantities of high-pressure water force the seabed particles into suspension. The cable is then inserted before the particles return to their original state and solidify again in the trench. Whilst the injector progresses along the assigned route, the cable is fed through the unit exiting at the lowest point, thereby achieving maximum burial depth. If required, multiple cables can be buried simultaneously. From the design table to the seabed, Global Marine offers a world-class shore-end and shallow water service, independently accredited to the ISO 9001 quality standard. We have the people, the expertise, the technology, and the equipment to meet shallow water challenges anywhere in the world. This, combined with our deep water experience, enables Global Marine Systems Limited to bring successful conclusions to the world's most ambitious cable laying projects.